Celebrating what makes them proud of America. Valley students wearing MAGA gear stopped by school officials, and this all sparked a national controversy. ABC 15's Carla Navarrete combing through the Attorney General's investigation to find out if First Amendment rights were violated.
You may recall the situation at Perry High School in Gilbert last month when what should have been a party in the USA Spirit Day turned into a tense, driven clash between students sporting President Trump gear and so-called liberals. At the Attorney General's request, the district turned over 66 pages of pictures, witness statements, and declarations under perjury from administrators. In the report, they say, quote, "At no time were students made to remove clothing showing support for President Trump." In the report, the only student who was made to remove his Trump flag was this one you see here. He wasn't disciplined, just forced to take off the flag because, according to the assistant principal, the flag is not to be worn and the assembly had ended. Also in the report, the school district states that contrary to what some parents may have told the media, the only student suspended was a ninth grader who refused to identify herself to staff and police. In the report, the mother states she told her daughter not to provide that information to school officials, making this a clear violation of school policy. So what is next for Chandler Unified? We asked that question to the Attorney General's office, and there was no response. I'm Carla Navarrete for ABC 15 Arizona.